Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Lubn's embed code to let visitors self-schedule property visits directly from your website. Let's get started. First, make sure the property you want to feature has self-schedule enabled. You can check this in the self-schedule section of the Lubn web app. Then, click on Embed Code and enter your website's origin URL. You can find this setting in the Settings tab. This step tells Lubn where to display the booking dialog and ensures secure access. Next, you'll get two snippets of code. The first script should be added to the header of your website's HTML. It loads Lubn's scheduling function. The second is the booking button. This goes where you want the booking button to appear on your property page. Let's look at an example. In your HTML file, paste the first script inside the header section. Then, place the second script where you'd like the self-schedule booking button to appear. Be sure to save and refresh your website to see it in action. Now, when a visitor clicks the button, the Lubn self-scheduling dialog will pop up right on your site. And that's it! You've successfully added Lubn's self-schedule button to your website.